We're going to walk you through how to download Fortnite onto your PC or laptop. And if this helps you out, then please think about subscribing and dropping a like on the video. Fortnite is genuinely a super fun game to play, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First, open any web browser and head over to a search engine. If you didn't already know, Fortnite is actually created and operated by Epic Games. So what you need to do is simply search for Epic Games like this. We need the Epic Games launcher to download Fortnite, so keep watching as we continue. Go ahead and click on Epic Games Store, and then in the top right corner, you'll want to press the download button. This will start downloading the launcher. Now I recommend creating an Epic account. This will basically be your Fortnite account. To do that, head to the top right and click Sign In. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet, because you can easily create one on this page. Just scroll down and choose Create Account if you haven't made one already. I already have mine. After you've made your Epic account, open up your File Explorer, go into your Downloads folder, and you should see the Epic installer there. All you need to do is double-click it so we can begin the setup. Hit Install. A security pop-up will appear, and you just have to accept it. Now the installation process will begin. You'll get this Epic Games window, and at this point you just wait while it downloads. Another security pop-up will show up. Agree to that as well, and Epic Games will open. Now you can sign in with the account you made. Once you're inside the launcher, head to the left side and click on Store. At the top, go to the search bar and type Fortnite. There it is, and click on it, scroll down a bit and press Get on the right-hand side. It will say Loading Your Order, but it's completely free, so just hit Place Order in the bottom right. Make sure you agree to the terms. Since it's free, it's not a big deal, but still confirm it. You'll get a pop-up and you can click View in Library. Now scroll down and you'll see Fortnite sitting there. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose your install location. I'm changing mine, but you can leave yours as default. You can also pick whether you want auto updates or a desktop shortcut. After that, click Install. Make sure you read and agree to the terms. I already did, so I'll press I read and agree and hit Accept. Now it will start installing. You can see the installation progress by clicking on Downloads in the bottom left. It's around 80 GB, so it will take some time. Once the download and installation are both finished, and it will do that automatically, you can go back to your library on the left, click on Fortnite, and start playing. It's super simple.